Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we break down the latest health trends, diets, and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a diet that's inspired by our ancient ancestors. Yep, you guessed it, the Paleo diet. If you've ever wondered what it is, how to start, and whether it's right for you, stick around because we've got a lot to cover. From the basics of the Paleo diet, what meals look like, its benefits, and even debunking some myths, we've got it all in today's episode. So, let's get started. What is the Paleo diet? So, first things first, what exactly is the Paleo diet? The Paleo diet, also known as the Paleolithic or caveman diet, is a nutritional plan that's based on the types of foods presumed to be eaten by early humans during the Paleolithic era. This period, which dates back around 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago, was before agriculture developed. The idea is to mimic what our hunter-gatherer ancestors ate because it's believed that our bodies are still genetically adapted to their diet. The core philosophy? If the cavemen didn't eat it, neither should you. This means no processed foods, no refined sugars, no grains, and definitely no dairy. The diet focuses on eating whole, unprocessed foods like meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Think of it as going back to basics, like way back. Now, the reasoning behind this diet is that modern processed foods and agricultural products, like grains and dairy, may contribute to chronic diseases and obesity, whereas the foods our ancestors ate are thought to be more aligned with our genetic makeup, promoting better health. But of course, as with any diet, it's important to consider the facts and consult with a healthcare professional before diving in. How to start the Paleo diet? Ready to start your Paleo journey? Let's talk about how you can get started, especially if you're new to this. Transitioning to the Paleo diet doesn't have to be daunting. Here's a step-by-step guide to make it easier. Purge your pantry. Begin by eliminating processed foods, grains, legumes, dairy, and sugars from your pantry. Replace them with paleo-friendly options like lean meats, fish, eggs, fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Meal planning. Plan your meals in advance to avoid the temptation of grabbing non-paleo snacks. Start with simple recipes like grilled chicken with roasted veggies or a big leafy salad with olive oil and nuts. Grocery shopping. Stick to the perimeter of the grocery store. This is where you'll find most of your paleo-approved foods. Fresh produce, meats, and fish are typically on the outer aisles. Cooking at home. Paleo is a whole foods diet, so cooking at home is key. Experiment with different recipes and flavors to keep things interesting. You'll soon find that paleo cooking is both satisfying and delicious. Listen to your body. As you begin the paleo diet, pay attention to how your body feels. Everyone's response to dietary changes is different, so it's important to adjust your intake based on how your body reacts. And remember, it's not about perfection, but about making sustainable changes that work for you. Don't stress if you have a slip-up. Just get back on track with your next meal. What are paleo meals and the paleo food list? Now that you know how to start, let's talk about what you can actually eat on the paleo diet. A typical paleo meal includes a protein source, lots of vegetables, and healthy fats. For example, breakfast might be scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, lunch could be a grilled salmon salad with a lemon vinaigrette, and dinner might be a grass-fed steak with roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli. Here's a quick paleo food list to get you started. Proteins: grass-fed meats, poultry, wild-caught fish, and eggs. Vegetables: leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, root vegetables, and pretty much any non-starchy vegetable. Fruits: berries, apples, citrus fruits, and avocados. Nuts and seeds: almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Healthy fats: olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and ghee. And for drinks, stick to water, herbal teas, and black coffee. If you're looking for something a little more creative, try infused water with slices of fruit or cucumber. Benefits of the paleo diet and tips. Now, you might be wondering, what are the actual benefits of following the paleo diet? Let's break it down. Weight loss. One of the main reasons people turn to paleo is weight loss. By cutting out processed foods and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, many people find that they naturally eat fewer calories and shed excess weight. Improved blood sugar levels. By eliminating refined sugars and processed foods, the paleo diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Better digestion. Many people report improved digestion on the paleo diet, likely due to the high intake of fiber from vegetables and fruits and the elimination of gut-irritating grains and legumes. Increased energy. With a steady supply of protein, healthy fats, the paleo diet can provide sustained energy levels throughout the day, reducing those mid-afternoon slumps. Reduced inflammation. The paleo diet is naturally anti-inflammatory, thanks to its focus on omega-3 fatty acids from fish and seeds, and the elimination of inflammatory foods like processed oils and sugars. Now, here are a few tips to help you maximize these benefits. Variety is key. To ensure you're getting a full spectrum of nutrients, aim to eat a variety of paleo-approved foods. Don't stick to the same meals every day. Experiment with different recipes and ingredients. Quality over quantity. Whenever possible, opt for organic, grass-fed, and wild-caught options. The quality of your food matters, especially when it comes to meat and fish. Balance your plate. Make sure you're getting a balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates at each meal. This balance will help keep you full and satisfied, and most importantly, enjoy the process. The paleo diet isn't just about what you eat. It's about adopting a healthier lifestyle. How to lose weight with the paleo diet. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of weight loss. How can the paleo diet help you shed those extra pounds? The paleo diet is naturally lower in calories because it cuts out many high-calorie, low-nutrient foods. When you replace these with nutrient-dense options, your body feels more satisfied with fewer calories, which can lead to weight loss. Plus, the high protein content helps build lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Here's how you can make paleo work for weight loss. Focus on portion control. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if eaten in large quantities. Pay attention to your portion sizes, especially when it comes to nuts and fruits, which can be calorie-dense. Increase physical activity. Pairing the paleo diet with regular exercise can accelerate weight loss. Try incorporating strength training and cardio into your routine to build muscle and burn fat. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, what feels like hunger is actually thirst. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and your hunger in check. Keep track of your progress. Monitor your food intake and weight loss progress. This can help you stay motivated and make adjustments if needed. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. The paleo diet can be a sustainable way to reach your goals, but it's important to be patient with yourself. Paleo diet misconceptions. Now let's tackle some common misconceptions about the paleo diet. There's a lot of misinformation out there, so it's time to set the record straight. Misconception 1. The paleo diet is all about meat. Some people think paleo is a meat-heavy diet, but that's not entirely true. While protein is a big part of paleo, the diet also emphasizes a large intake of vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. It's about balance, not just piling your plate with steak. Misconception 2. Paleo is just another low-carb diet. While the paleo diet does limit certain carbs like grains and refined sugars, it's not necessarily low-carb. Paleo encourages the consumption of fruits, vegetables, and starchy roots like sweet potatoes, which are all sources of healthy carbs. Misconception 3. Paleo is too restrictive. Yes, paleo cuts out a lot of processed and agricultural foods, but it doesn't have to be overly restrictive. There are plenty of delicious and satisfying foods you can eat on paleo, and many people find they don't miss the foods they've eliminated once they see the benefits. A dietitian explains the paleo diet. To give you an even deeper understanding of the paleo diet, we've brought in a dietitian to explain the science behind it. Let's hear what she has to say. Dietitian. Hi, I'm Dr. Emily, a registered dietitian. The paleo diet is popular for its focus on whole, unprocessed foods, which can reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and boost overall health. However, it's not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions or during pregnancy. The diet can lack some nutrients, like calcium, so supplements may be necessary. For best results, start slowly ensure variety, and listen to your body to maintain balance and sustainability. Thank you, Dr. Emily, for that insightful explanation. It's always great to hear from a professional. So there you have it, the paleo diet in a nutshell. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your health, or simply try something new, the paleo diet offers a lot of benefits. Remember, it's not just a diet, but a lifestyle that encourages you to eat whole, unprocessed foods and stay active. If you're considering going paleo, start with the basics, focus on variety, and don't forget to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.